Hi, welcome to SMAC's tutorials. In this tutorial we'll discuss and I'll show you how to add main text to your page. We can see we've got our title of a page, we've got our summary of a page, but also we've got the main text area. This could be many characters long, it could be a story, it could be whatever you decide to put in here. So there's two ways that SMAC's can edit text. You've got the drag and drop editor, which is what we see here. We can see that's active because we've got our highlighted icon here, and also we've got our WYSIWYG editor, which you see on many content management systems and word processors. It's basically a WYSIWYG editor. We can select the HTML, we can highlight the text, we can all different colors. Yeah, we've seen that. So we've got two different ways. So let's go back into our layers mode. Right, the layers mode is the most simplest way to get the main text into your page quickly, professionally and fast, because in here we have hundreds of blocks that have been pre-made for you. These blocks are formatted using the Bootstrap 4 framework, so they work on mobile, tablet and PC perfectly. So we can drag a block to our main canvas area, and this will allow a different, let's drag one out, there we go. So every time we drag a block and we're happy with that, we need to save. We've got the save button here, we've got the save button up here as well. So we can select a block, and we've got two blocks here. We can select this block, and we've got all the text editing options up here. We can select this block, we've got all the text editing options up here. We can upload an image very easily. So images are all pre-formatted to work perfectly on your page. You can see that's really nice on the page. Let's do this one. It's a nice picture. These pictures are from Pixabay. Okay, so we save all our edits. We can see in here when we click on a layer, a block, we have this. This is to move. We can move the layer. Okay. And this one is to look at the code of the layer. This one is to copy the layer, and this one is to delete the layer. So let's drag another layer. So let's delete this one just to show you how it works. There we go. So every option here we need to save. Always save there. Save here, save here. Okay, so let's look and see what we've done. So the way we preview our page is we go in here, click this button here, and this now will switches us over to the page that we're actually creating. So we scroll down and we can see, yeah, there's our text. Always save, and there's our text in here as well. So all this will work perfectly on a mobile phone. Everything all gets resized. I'll show you that in another video. So now we go back into our editing mode. We can see we've got this highlighted here. So we're in the drag and drop editing mode. If we switch over, we can switch over here to look and see how that looks in our WYSIWYG editor. There, it's a little bit less. We don't have the layers highlighted. It's a little bit less friendly. You can then switch back in here to look at our layers editing, which works really nice. So there we go. Now Another nice feature of this, if you want to go full screen, we've got all this area here that's being used. We might just want to focus literally on our text in here. So we click this button here to go full screen. We need to save before you click this button. Okay. Otherwise, any edits that you have done will not be saved. So we click on here, launch in full screen, and now we've got the whole area now to play with. We've got all our layers in here that we can choose. Hundreds and hundreds of layers, all formatted perfectly for mobile, for tablet, for PC. Everything is built with Bootstrap 4 framework, the latest Bootstrap. Here we can filter out text image blocks, text blocks centered, images, forms, tables, you name it, it's there. So we're happy with this. We're going to switch now back. We haven't made any edits at all. We're going to switch back to our normal editing mode. Let me think. I think that's about it. Thank you very much for watching.